Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to attach an anchor to a kayak. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayak anchors provide a way for kayakers to stabilize the vessel and keep it in place when they want to stop moving. The anchors can be very small and lightweight, making them easy to stow on board a kayak. They can also be easily deployed when needed. Kayakers enjoy some of the same benefits from an anchor that sailors do, but because kayaks are not very wide or heavy, anchors used in kayaks must be much smaller than those used for larger boats. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, what are the ways to attach an anchor? Number 2, how to install a trolley. Number 3, how to install an anchor wizard. Number 4, types of anchors. Number 5, recommended products, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.